So here are all my ingredients. I have vinegar and I have water. You're gonna need equal parts vinegar and equal parts water. And then of course my essential oil, thieves, very essential to have. And then you can pick another oil that you would like for the smell. You can do citrus, you can do lavender, you can do lemon. I'm gonna be doing citrus. And then you'll need a funnel. First, what you wanna do is put the vinegar and mix it with the oils. Put a couple of drops of each oil in here and then kind of swirl it around with your vinegar. And then once you do that, you can add your water, because we know that oil and water don't really mix very well. You're just gonna put it inside these containers. Save your like Clorox wipe containers or whatever kind of wipes you use. This is a medium sized one. I know that they have larger ones. So what you can do is put all the ingredients in there. As you can see, I have the water, the vinegar, and the oils already mixed in here. Take your paper towel. Sometimes I wait until my paper towel is like maybe like half done, and then I just insert it into this whole thing. But today I have a whole pack, so what I'm gonna be doing is just taking paper towels and just kind of inserting them in my container and soaking up all that water. So here are my wipes all soaked up, you can see. And you're gonna want to wait a while for all the paper towel to get incorporated and soaked. You might want to shake it around, squeeze up some of them so that they can all get that. Put the lid on, and then you can get cleaning. This is perfect for like your table, high chairs for your babies, even your bathroom. I have boys, so there's always kind of pee all over the place. Anyway, so it's always good for me to like just wipe every time, you know, or even just have it, you know, in the bathroom. I have it in the bathroom next to the toilet, so my boys, when they finish up and they make a little accident, they just kind of clean the area. So I'm not afraid of them touching this because it's natural and they're not gonna get all those chemicals in their hands. So this is perfect. So go ahead, make some of your own, let me know what you think, and you know, good cleaning, people. And don't forget to wear your tiara when you're cleaning up.